Problems 10 to 18 are all the same. It gives you a table and it also gives you a function, and we're just going to be plugging multiple values into my function and then stating the domain and the range. So my function is x plus 7. I want to make sure that I show my work, and I need to plug the values 1, 2, 3, and 4 into that equation separately. So if I plug 1 into the equation, I get 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. If I plug 2 into the equation, 2 plus 7 is 9. If I plug 3 into the equation, 3 plus 7 gives me 10. And if I plug 4 into the equation, 4 plus 7 gives me 11. Now remember, your domain are the x values. So you want to put squiggly brackets, list all the x values with commas between them. Your range is all the y values, or your answers when you plugged your x's in. So I have squiggly brackets, and I'm going to list all of my y values. If I flip it over and I look at problem 13. 13, I need to plug in -2, 1, 0, and 1. So anywhere I see an x, which is right next to the 2, I'm going to put parentheses, substitute in my value. 2 times -2 minus 3 is -7. 2 times -1 minus 3 gives me -5. 2 times 0 minus 3 is -3. And 2 times 1 minus 3 gives you -1. Your domain is your x values, so my x values are -2, -1, 0, 1. My range is my y values, which is -7, -5, -3, -1. I'll do one more. I'll do problem number 17. Give me 1 second here. Okay. For problem 17, my function is 1 minus 4x, and I need to plug the following values in. Okay. So 1 minus 4, plug the value 0.5 into the equation. When you plug that into your calculator, you're going to get -1. If I substitute 3 in here, that's 1 minus 4 times 3, which gives me -11. If I substitute 5.5, that's 1 minus 4 times 5.5, which gives me -21. And if I plug in 7, I get 1 minus 4 times 7, which gives me -27. Remember, your domain are your x values, so 0.5, 3, 5.5, and 7. Your range is your y values, which is -1, -11, -21, and -27.